Assalamu alaikum, success seekers. Welcome to Evil Vera, where you learn to better yourself. Let's start today's journey. In the marketplace of Baghdad, 4 blind men were begging. One of them was an Arab, the second was from Iran, the third was Turkish, and the fourth was from India. A man came and gave 1 rupee to all 4 of them and said, "Go and buy something with this rupee and share it among yourselves." After taking the rupee, the 4 began to discuss what they should buy. The Indian said, "I will eat daakh." The Iranian said, "I will eat angoor." The Turkish man said, "I will buy uzum." Finally, the Arab beggar said, "I will eat inab." In reality, daakh, angoor, uzum, and inab are all names for the same thing, grapes. The item was one, but its names were different in each language. However, due to this difference in names, the 4 blind men began to argue with each other. Each insisted in his own language that he would only eat what he had named. The argument escalated so much that it nearly turned into a physical fight. By chance, a wise man passed by. When he learned about their dispute, he said, "Give me the rupee, and I will bring something from the market according to each of your wishes." So they handed the rupee to him. He went to the market, bought grapes, and placed them in front of the blind men. Since all of them had actually desired grapes in their own languages, they were all happy to receive exactly what they wanted. Lesson from this story: conflicts often arise due to ignorance, as happened in this incident. Even though all 4 had the same intention, their lack of understanding turned them against each other. A wise and intelligent person does not create conflicts, but resolves them. All Muslims around the world follow Islam, and it is the same truth that every Muslim desires. However, some people get caught in differences of language and labels. One says, "I am Afghan." Another says, "I am Shia." Another says, "I am Sunni." Another says, "I am from the frontier." Such people are like those blind men who fought only because of differences in words. If only they could understand that these are merely verbal differences, while the true purpose for all is one, Islam.
I hope you've understood the true message of this story, because real success isn't just about listening, it's about taking action. If you are truly a success seeker, subscribe to Evolvera today and show your support with a like and a thoughtful comment. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.